everybody, thanks for coming by. Guess what today is? Today is Causebox Day. It's so pretty. Looks kind of fally, but it's the winter box, trust me. It came pretty quick this quarter. I'm really pleased. I have a couple ideas, but I don't know which variation I'm going to get. So let's get in here and find out. So Causebox is a quarterly box that is $54.95. Sometimes if it's your first box, you can find coupons out there on the internet. And this is my second one. I really enjoyed my first one. And I know some of the things that are coming in this one. So I'm really, really excited to get in here. This is how it comes. Open it up and it's just Causebox and it's very pretty. Okay, so we will try and follow along with the book as we go and see what we can find out about all the goodies we're getting. So, yay, let's get in here. Oh, I'm so excited. The first one is a Poncho Shawl, perhaps, that there were 3 color choices that came in the bag. And I just knew there was this one, which is kind of the one I wanted. I can't believe it. There was a much more gray one, which I was happy to get. And there was a more fall rusty look. Actually, here you go. There's the 3. Hope you can see that. The 3 choices. And I got the top one. This gorgeous. It's so soft. It's beige and gray, and this is a pinkish color. And it's from Siizu is the company. It says that Siizu is pleased to offer you this beautifully woven poncho created using exclusively the sustainable Lstn viscose yarn. Let's open this up and see what we've got. It's it's very soft and heavy. When I saw it online, I just wondered, you wonder what the what the actual quality is going to be and how it's going to look. See how much of it I can get in here. This is how it looks. It's very pretty. I love the color, and like I said, it's so soft and nice. I'm tempted. I'm gonna leave it on right now because it's so pretty. Yay! That's the first product, and I'm very pleased. Here's the card that comes with it that they say you can do as framed art or you can send as a postcard, but it's very pretty. All right, next we have Klei, or Klei, K-L-E-I, Detox Spearmint and Floral Facial Steam. That is what that looks like. It says, relax and unwind with the Floral and Herb Facial Steam Blend. Made with a refreshing blend of chamomile, lavender, rose petals, rosemary, juniper, and spearmint, facial steam helps open the pores and prepare them for further treatments with the added benefits of aromatherapy. So you add a capful of this to a bowl of hot water. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells heavy on the spearmint. So, this is my new thing. I'm offering you a smell. It's not working so good, but I'm going to keep trying. It's nice. I will probably try that. It's very interesting. I like it. Actually. Okay, well, I've just gazed through this book just for record, and I don't seem to have anything with values in it. Okay, next up, yay, this is awesome. It is a planner. I buy a planner every year. I treat it as much like a journal as a planner. I kind of write what's coming up, and then I also write, like, if I did something particular that day. I just kind of treat it like a journal. This is from Idlewild company, and it's a 2019 January to December planner. Includes daily calendars, monthly calendars, year at a glance, notes pages, goal tracking, and a sticker sheet. Oh, look at this. Front page is pink and, I guess I should. The front page is pink and lovely, and each month has a tab. So let's go to January. Let's see what we see. Oh, it gives you quotes at the beginning of each month. January. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. So you start with the month at a glance. And I imagine that from there we go to weekly. We do. This is very nice. I will definitely use this. I am a hyper-organized person. You might not get that from my videos because I'm always digging through boxes and looking frenetic, but trust me, This is awesome. I'm so warm in my little wrap. They call it a poncho, but I thought a poncho was something you pulled over your head, but it doesn't matter. All right, this is, looks like earbuds. Everything's wrapped in a bag I have to get it out of, so. Okay, this is the Cresent by Lstn. I'm going to assume Listen Sound, and it is earbuds. Let's get into this. This box is tight. All right, we're in it. It's just kind of jumbled in there. So we have earbuds and a USB charger, so they must be wireless. And then different pads to fit inside different ears. And it says, good for business should be good for the world. Lstn, which again I'm assuming is Listen, says, Listen uses proceeds from every purchase to give hearing aids across the globe through our charity partner, Starkey Hearing Foundation. Oh, that's very cool. So yeah, wireless earbuds. That's nice. All right, let's see what we have next. We have a Metamorphic Jade Roller. Ooh, this is, I've gone from 0 to 60 overnight. This is, I got a Jade Roller as a choice in my FabFitFun. Probably wouldn't have made the choice had I known this was coming, but oh, it's very pretty. It looks just like my other one, and I'm here to tell you, it looks, I mean, just like my other one. It is sealed for safety protection in this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in here because with it being Christmas, I might just gift this to somebody, so why not leave it pristine? Very cool though. So I took my other one, I've used it a couple times. I put my serum on my face and lightly roll it over my face and with the small end under my eyes, and it's so cooling and nice. How do you know if it's doing anything? I have no idea. But it feels really nice. The coolness of it feels really nice in the morning for depuffing. And then, you know, it can't be doing harm. It can't hurt. So, keeping those options away. That's probably lost on any young person that's watching here. Okay, and the next choice is earrings. This could have been either earrings or a necklace. Truth in advertising, I was hoping for the necklace because I can't wear costume earrings. But they're very pretty. The bottom is gold and the top is a hammered, like, aluminum look. They're very pretty. They are from, boy, they use a lot of words in this that, you know, I guess because it's international, but Matr, Bloome. I'm going to slip these back in their bag. They're very pretty. They would make a lovely earring. But again, they jingle. Sounds like Christmas. But I can't wear costume jewelry. Okay, and last but not least, we have wrapping paper. 4 sheets. I think that's what, yeah, 4 sheets. Different colors. We have this nice brown one. And then there's this nice lighter brown. And then a yet lighter beige color. Nope, 3 sheets. So those 3 variations of brown. I don't think I will use these for Christmas. I'm far more traditional with Christmas, but they are very pretty wrapping papers, and I will absolutely use them through the year because they're so pretty. Okay, so that's it for my Causebox this month. So we had the pretty wrapping papers, the very pretty earrings from India, the earbuds that are wireless Bluetooth earbuds, the Jade Roller that we know is in here, Jade Roller, the 2019 planner, which I am totally stoked about, and oh, and my lovely shawl with the beige and the gray, and it's got a pretty fringe, and I can't tell you, I'm so pleased with how heavy it is. Hey, let's see if it's on my shirt. Nope, not buzzing on me at all. It's nice and heavy and soft, and so $54.95 for a quarterly subscription. I really enjoy it. I like that they deal with companies that do good, whether it's in the United States or artisans overseas, and I truly enjoy the box. So if you have any interest. You usually can find coupons for your first box. My subscription edition is a good place to do that. They don't just generally, if they gave them to us to give out, I would so give it to you, but it doesn't get you anything if you sign up through me. So I want you to go out there and find somebody who has a coupon, if you can find them. Anyway, thanks again for coming by. Please like and subscribe if you like my unboxings. Give me a thumbs up or comment below. I think all these boxes are exactly the same, so you should have what I have, except for you could get a different colored shawl, or the earrings. You could have gotten earrings or a necklace. Yeah, I think that's the only variation. So this is the Causebox for winter. All right, guys, thanks for coming by. Good to see you.